Hey, I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install a Tusk UTV Upgrade Kit on your Can-Am Maverick X3 Max. The Stage 1 kit comes with the essential items to not only give you a more comfortable ride, but to make your new machine stand out and look good. So what this includes is the removable half windshield, the alloy UTV Mirror Kit with A-pillar mounts, and the Polycarb rear window. Now this is also the most budget-friendly kit out of the three options. It's really simple to install, so let me show you how to do it. We're going to start out at the rear window. So to get this thing ready, first thing I'm doing is wearing some gloves, that way I don't get fingerprints all over it. And then we're going to remove the protective film from both sides. Now one thing you'll notice is we've laid down a blanket, and that way we avoid any damage to this rear window. Next, at the back of the machine, we're going to clean off the back side of that roll bar right there. And we've got the foam tape. So this is going to come with a little bit of extra length. We're going to cut it to length and apply that to the back side of that. So we cut that right at 24 inches. Then we'll remove the backing and stick this down into place. Next, we're going to set the rear window in place. So the Tusk logo, that's going to go on the driver's side. And then this jagged section, that's going to be facing down. And you might have to flex the rear window when you set this in place. Once it is in place, we can go ahead and take the hook and loop straps, and we're going to work those on one at a time. We'll leave them all loose, and then we'll adjust them for final fitment and snug them down. Next, we're going to install our mirror mounts. So we're at the upper front corner of the roll cage on both sides. We're actually going to do the passenger side first. Now these mirror mounts are different from driver's side to passenger side. Driver's side is a straight mount. The passenger side is the mount with a bend to it. So we'll take that bracket, we'll take two of these bolts, we're going to go through the bracket, and then we'll go through both of these pre-existing holes through the roll cage. After that, we'll install the washers and nylock nuts on the back. With the mount loosely installed, we're going to remove this bolt from the mirror, and we've got the star washer we need to locate. Install the bolt through the back side of the bracket, put the star washer on this side, then we'll install the bolt into the mirror. Then from here we can go ahead and tighten down all of the hardware. And just if you're wondering, the whole reason the passenger side has this bend in the bracket is to put the mirror at the correct angle for the driver. Next, we'll do those same steps on the other side. Now the only difference with the driver's side is that the mirror is going to be upside down on this. So we're going to use a 3/16 inch Allen, loosen that up, level that out, and tighten it back down. Moving on to the half windshield. We need to prep the machine to get the windshield installed. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the 6 T30 Torx bit bolts from the front of the dash. Now on the front of the dash, you'll notice there's two dimples. We've already drilled the outermost one out using a 3/8 inch drill bit. You need to go ahead and do that on both sides of your machine, and then install the J-nut right over that new hole. With that J-nut installed, we'll go ahead and do that same thing on the other side. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and reinstall all 6 fasteners across the top of the dash. Next, we're going to be working on the inside of the windshield. So to make sure you have this placed correctly, the bend is going to be facing out, and we're going to remove the protective film. Then we're going to install foam tape across the bottom of the windshield, and we're just going to make cuts in between these slots. Then we'll flip the windshield over and remove that protective cover from the front. Next, we're going to set the half windshield in place. Now again, the outside, the bend is going to be facing away from the cab. Then we'll take the Velcro clamps. We're going to wrap these around the roll cage, put the strap through that slot in the half windshield, and then we're going to feed that strap around the bar on the clamp. And then this is just going to be left loose for now. Pop that down into place, and then from here we can make adjustments and snug this up. And while I'm here on this side, I'm going to go ahead and loosely install this knob into that J-hook we installed earlier. Then we'll do those same steps on the other side. And then once you have everything adjusted up, you can go ahead and tighten down the knobs. And that's all there is to installing the Tusk Stage 1 Upgrade Kit on your Can-Am Maverick X3 Max. If you have any questions about the install process, leave those questions down in the comments below. And if you need one of these kits, you can find one on our website. We also have other accessories on there, so be sure to check those out and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.